hello hello guys, this is your channel, the gaming channel, and now I am going to show how to download and install Filmora full version in your PC. So let's start it with the video. First you need to go to your browser and then now search. I'm going to Google and then now search Pirates Bay, and then now this is a link, and now click on this website, and then now go to very fastest, and then now country and now this is a Pirates Bay is open. Now some person have problem with Pirates Bay, so this is the best website to open the Pirates Bay. So go to your application and search Filmora, F-I-L Filmora, then now pirate search. This is Filmora 8, Filmora 6.8, and then now I'm gonna download this one because this is a 9 and pre-activated. Then now click, close the ad, then now click, and then now get this torrent, another click. Okay, I have already already in the list. Or do you want to load track? No, because I have already downloaded it. And then now one continue, then now yeah, then now I gonna D, and then now this is a setup of Filmora, and then now you open it and run the setup, and the setup is now open. Please wait. The setup is open. My PC is slow because of my budget. Setup is not open, so then now this is the setup is open. Then now next and next, then now install, and then now I can cancel because I have already installed it. This is the Filmora, and this is a full version registered and pre-activated. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel, the gaming channel.